Welcome to the Smart Alec Show. We're here today with our scientist, Smart Alec. And Alec, we've got some questions from your viewers. Would you like to answer them, please?
Yes.
Thank you. So the questions are about rocks and minerals. What's the difference between a rock and a mineral?
Well, rock is a natural compound of minerals, and a mineral is a natural inorganic compound with a unique chemical structure.
Oh, okay. What are the three types of rock?
The three types of rock are igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary.
Oh, all right. And then what are the ways that we can categorize or classify minerals?
The first way is streak, the second is luster, and the third is hardness, and the fourth is color.
Oh, okay. So what is the shiniest luster?
The shiniest luster is adamantine.
Oh, all right. That would be nice and shiny, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Yes. What is cleavage?
Cleavage is how the rock or mineral breaks. If it breaks the one plate, they say that's perfect cleavage.
Okay, so they have to break it a certain way. Very nice. So how do you do a hardness test?
Well, to do a hardness test, what you have to do is you have to take a glass. In my book, I have the hardness scale.
That's the Mohs hardness scale?
Yes.
Goes from what?
It goes from 1 to 10.
Okay.
So the first thing I'm going to try is my fingernail. And you take your fingernail and scratch a mineral on the rock. So the first one I have is quartz. When I scratch it, there's not a mark.
Okay. Must be pretty hard then.
Yep. So the second thing I have to do is scratch it for copper penny. And it does not make a mark.
No mark. Okay.
The third thing is to scratch it with a glass plate.
No mark?
No mark. The third thing is to scratch it with a nail. And there is a mark.
It does look like that makes a little mark. Very nice. So it makes a mark with a nail, and where does a nail register on our scale?
Well, a nail register as 6.5.
6.5 hardness. Great. Number 7 on the scale.
So the next thing I'm going to do is do it with fool's gold.
Oh, fool's gold.
So first I need my fingernail. It does not make a mark.
Okay.
Second, I'm going to try it with a copper penny. It does not make a mark.
Okay.
Third, I'm going to try it with a glass plate. It powders up, so that means it made a mark.
Oh, okay. And fool's gold must be then on the about a 5 on the scale. 5.5.
Yes.
Very nice. So it's not as hard as the quartz.
Last but not least, hematite. So first I have to do it with my fingernail.
Nope, no mark.
And it does make a mark.
Oh, it does?
Yes.
Oh, so it's soft.
Really soft.
Oh,
That was
very
the hardness
nice.
scale.
That's the hardness scale and the hardness test. So there's another one. How can you see the streak of a mineral?
Well, the streak is if it powders up on unglazed porcelain or
Okay.
cardstock.
Okay, looks like you have a piece of unglazed porcelain right there.
The first thing I use is my quartz, and it makes a white line or white mark.
Yeah, it powders up a little bit.
Yep. The second thing on the list is this mysterious rock here I found. It does not make a mark. So some rocks and minerals don't make marks.
Okay.
And the third thing is my fool's gold.
Oh, yeah.
And it makes kind of a darkish color.
Very nice.
brown color.
Mm-hmm.
That is the
That's the streak test?
That's the streak test.
Ah, okay. So here's another question. What is specific gravity?
Specific gravity is how much a rock or mineral weighs.
Mm-hmm. How heavy it is. Okay. So, how do you determine or calculate specific gravity?
Well, for specific gravity, what you have to do is you have to get your rock or mineral and weigh it in air. Then once you weigh it in air, you have to weigh it in water, and you have to subtract those two numbers.
Mm-hmm. Subtract those two numbers. Okay.
And the specific gravity amethyst is 2.6.2.7.
Oh, so it's kind of heavy.
Yes.
Great. So tell me, how do you use rocks in everyday life?
Well, I use rocks in my watch. There's rocks in my watch. I use rocks when I'm on the computer. Like there's rocks inside the computer.
Is that like a quartz?
Yes, that is a quartz.
Okay.
And there's rocks inside like tablets. That's also a type of quartz too.
Oh. So tell me, what's your favorite rock and mineral?
Well, my favorite rock is obsidian. I have some right here. These two pieces.
Very nice, shiny and black.
And my favorite mineral is diamond because it's so shiny. I have a piece of diamond here in this ring.
Oh, that earring. Very nice. Well, thank you, Smart Alec. You have been very helpful today, and I'm sure your viewers will be happy to know more about rocks and minerals.
See you next time on the Smart Alec Show.